Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn an algorithm. Begin by reading the problem closely and noting inputs, outputs, and constraints, then create simple examples to test ideas. Break the task into smaller steps and name each step clearly, which makes implementation easier. Sketch a plan using plain language before coding and identify potential pitfalls like edge cases or large inputs. Practice this process on multiple problems to build confidence and intuition. Pick a strategy based on pattern recognition and the problem structure, such as greedy, divide and conquer, or dynamic programming, and estimate time and space complexity. Write clear pseudocode to ensure the logic flows correctly without worrying about syntax. Run the pseudocode mentally on your examples and adjust the plan until it handles edge cases. This habit reduces debugging time and helps you map solutions to similar problems later. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart navigation, saving time for study sessions or coding marathons. It's a small quality-of-life boost that pairs nicely with focused learning routines. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Implement the solution step by step, testing each function with the earlier examples and extra edge cases to ensure correctness. Keep changes small so bugs are easier to find, and write unit tests for critical behavior like boundaries and empty inputs. Once correct, profile and optimize hotspots, trading space for speed only when necessary. Finally, reflect on the solution and compare it to alternative strategies to deepen your understanding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.